The noise is haunting. Wow, this is so cool.
Welcome by HL Hogervorst. We are a bulb on pot grower. We grow in the field our bulbs, but in the glass house we have a big variety on Narcissus, hyacinth, Crocus, Muscari. Actually, we are the one-stop shop for bulb on pots.
Superb.
And today we have a special job for you.
Yeah?
How we make the new hyacinths.
Wow.
The baby bulbs.
I always wanted to have a go. I remember seeing it in books at my grandma's when I was a child, and yeah, I can't wait.
So much that happens behind the scenes that many buyers and consumers don't realize.
They don't realize, and they must not think about this. We must do what we promise. And when we do what we promise, then the customers have a good result. This is the hyacinth.
Yeah.
We're gonna treat to making new baby bulbs. So I show you first one, how we do this.
Bolleholler.
Bolleholler. We take off the roots. When we scooping the bulb, then you must scoop the bottom of the bulb you take out till you see the rings, like in an onion.
Okay.
An onion is all rings.
Yeah.
Hyacinth is like the same. So, and this is almost the area where you keep between.
Because you're going to the rings, because that's where they're going to grow from.
In the rings, there grows the baby bulbs.
Wow.
You see here the beginning of the rings.
Yeah.
When you take out too much, then you kill the bulb. Then it won't give any baby bulbs anymore.
You have to go carefully.
Yes, and when you do too less, then it gives less bulbs.
And they first discovered this by a rat eating a farmer's bulb.
Yes,
crazy.
The rat eating it, and he eat like this, and then there grows some baby bulbs.
Wow.
And then the grower thought, hey, this is a good idea.
So cool.
So in the summertime, when the people come to do the hulling, the scooping, then we give them potatoes. Because the potato is not so expensive, and these bulbs are expensive. They are specially selected for virus.
Yeah.
So we don't want that they kill much of these ones. So we give them a potato, and they can learn how to make a nice hole.
Oh my God. Yeah.
And a little bit more close, not here, because otherwise it's after a couple of days you have hurt yourself.
Okay.
But here, shorter way, they are more easy to focus.
Okay, Let me try again with that. Yeah. Extra intel. So my thumb is going on there.
Yeah, then you have you stay.
Yeah. That's really weird though. It's so weird to have my thumb on there and not somewhere else. Oh, I could turn the potato. 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 Oh, that's a good circle. Oh my God, that's really good. That's good, right, Mum?
It's perfect.
An hour slice.
That's cool. Wow.
Very good.
I think you're super impressed. Am I allowed to try a hyacinth?
Yeah.
Right, okay, this is the big time. The noise is haunting.
Now here, just in the middle, you see the rings.
Yeah.
So now when you make the next slide, don't go more, not to go more in, but more
to the side.
To the side, yes, correct. Yeah, it's going nice. Yes.
Yeah.
So I show you like here, in this side.
Yeah.
You can take a little bit more.
Whoa! I'm in.
Yes.
That is cool. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That was a good scoop.
That's so cool. This is so cool. What do you think, Mum?
Glasses are there.
Yeah.
So,
do you share glasses? That's cute.
That's good. It's good.
Yeah. Cool.
A little bit there, but I should.
Yeah.
When people start, then I say this is okay.
Don't get too far. Yeah.
It's perfect.
Oh, that is wicked.
Hey.
Oh, that's so much fun. Thank you so much, Rob. Oh my God.
Very good.
Oh. Okay. How did I do? I heard that people that do it well do 4 in a minute.
Yeah,
It probably took me 4 minutes to do 1. It was a good job.
It was a good start.
Yeah?
So for next summer,
Awesome.
you are welcome to help us.
I'll give it a go. Thank you so much for today. Thank you for the tour, and it was nice to learn more about what you're doing here.
Thank you very much for visiting us, and have a good trip.
Thank you. That was such a cool day, picking up a whole load of unique horticultural skills, scooping hyacinths to create new bulbs. I've had such a great day learning about this amazing industry with Decorum.